All right, love that. Love the way that just slid off. That's perfect. That's what I want. Hey, I'm Steve, and I literally just took these out of the box. My wife is super excited about it. These are the GreenPan Omega hard anodized ceramic nonstick frying pans. Now, I would show you the pans that these replaced, our other pans, but they were awful, and I'd be too embarrassed to show them on camera. So these pans are what I would consider to be pretty heavy duty. You know, when you're at some of the big box stores, and we picked up some of those and looked at them, and then, but as a comparison to this particular pan, these were heavier. They seemed to be better made. The handles especially, they were thicker. The other handles weren't nowhere near as good as these. Of course, you got a hole right here if you ever wanted to hang it. You can put these in the dishwasher. You can put them in the oven. And that was very important to me and especially my wife. Now we have an induction stovetop, and right here, if you'll look, it says Magneto. That is supposed to be made that it will handle induction tops perfectly. So that was another reason. So here's their smallest pan, and they say that in the oven they will handle temperatures up to 600, and that is fantastic. I feel like I have to cook an egg, so I am going to put just a little bit of spray in there. I just feel like I have to. Well, that thing is sliding all over the place. Now I'll tell you right now, our old pans had stopped doing this. They were just so awful. But that right there is awesome. That egg is just sliding all over the place. Well, I am going to eat this egg, so let's get a little salt and pepper on it. All right, love that. Love the way that just slid off. That's perfect. That's what I want. I think you'll like these pans. I think we're going to like them. So if you're looking at them, hope you found my video helpful.